Cornwall's father, a gentle, poor and unsuccessful man. New Year. New Year, Cornwall's eldest son, who eventually converts to Christianity. Equified. Equified. Cornwall's second wife, mother of Ezinma. Ezinma, Cornwall's favorite daughter, intelligent and strong. No, Obierica, Cornwall's loyal friend, thoughtful and pragmatic Ikemefuna, a boy given to a Cornwall's family. He forms a father. Forms a father. A son. Born with a Cornwall but makes a tragic end. Mr. Brown. A kind and understanding Christian missionary, Reverend Smith, a strict, intolerant missionary whose rigidity contrasts with Mr. Brown.
Setting. The story. Setting. The story takes place in rural Mississippi during the 20th century, emphasizing the difficulties of the natural and social environment.
Exposition and the introduction of Momokolio and his achievements and the background of on Igbo culture, family structures, and the place, rising action. Ikemefuna is placed in Okonwo's household in Okonwo's family, especially Moye and the community as colonial influence grows. Climax: Okonwo participates in the killing of Ikemefuna, causing internal conflict. Christian missionaries established a church, creating cultural disruption. The Igbo tribe to resist colonial authority but failed. Falling after returns from exile to Mufia transformed the climb district to resist the colonial district commissioner. Resolution feeling powerless against the colonial force of Congo besides the book and with the commissioner's social thought about using story in highlighting colonial disregard from my board indigenous
The installation between Igbo culture and Eastern colonialism. Louis Demas, community and tribe almost accepted the strength of freedom, faith and freedom, study possibilities of choice, influenced mental and personal pressures, cultural clash, and colonialism, the resulting of indigenous sexual intervention, family and gender roles, expectation of men and women, and equal resources.
Literary criticism types applied to the story. Structuralist, formalist criticism in Things Fall Apart. Chinua Achebe employs symbolism, narrative structure, and characterization to convey themes themes of cultural disintegration, colonialism, and identity. The novel's title referencing years, home, and the erosion of traditional Igbo culture. Achieve this use of proverbs and folklore highlights the richness of Igbo culture, while the arrival of British colonizers represents the destructive force of imperialism. Conquest, tragic flow, this rigid adherence to traditional masculinity and underscores the tension between individual identity and cultural expectations.
My my thesis,
Marxist.
criticism examines class, wealth,
Examines class.
examines class, wealth, and power dynamics. Gatsby, Gatsby's rise from poor farmers, sons of wealthy socialite, contrast with the Buchanan inherited wealth. Wealth does not guarantee acceptance in elite society. Fitzgerald critiques capitalism and social inequality.
Moralistic criticism evaluates ethical lessons and moral decisions. The novel warns against glorification and obsession with material wealth. Gatsby, Gatsby's idealism is novel but ultimate itself. Destructive, the story shows that moral compromise and evolution involves feminist criticism examines gender roles and representation of women, busy embodies and limitation of women in the 1920s value from beauty and social position rather than intellect or agency. Jordan Baker challenged traditional gender ability reinforces a meaning. Centered perspective.
Perspective.
Perspective. The novel exposed a potential
Patriarchal.
patriarchal
Patriarchal.
material society
Confines.
confined and
Objectifies.
objectified
Women.
women.
Women. Women.
Historical exposed the influence of historical figures set during religious